During the tumultuous years of World War II, King Christian X of Denmark became a potent symbol of national unity, resilience, and subtle resistance against Nazi occupation. His role, while constrained by Denmark's unique position under German control, left a lasting impression on Danish identity and morale throughout the war and beyond. Denmark's unique occupation context. When Nazi Germany invaded Denmark on April 9, 1940, the Danish government and monarchy chose a policy of cooperation to avoid destruction and preserve as much autonomy as possible. Unlike many other occupied countries, Denmark retained its king, government, and parliament for much of the occupation, though under German oversight. King Christian X's continued presence on the throne was central to this arrangement, making him a key figure in maintaining Danish sovereignty and national pride during difficult times. King Christian X as a symbol of national unity. Throughout the occupation, King Christian X embodied the spirit of Denmark. Daily horseback rides. The king was known for riding his horse daily through Copenhagen without a security detail, symbolizing calm courage and solidarity with his people. Public presence. His visibility and steadfastness reassured Danes during uncertain times, reinforcing a sense of continuity and hope. Support for Danish identity. The king supported cultural institutions and traditions, subtly fostering national pride despite German censorship. Controversies and constraints. King Christian X's role was not without controversy. Cooperation policy. Some criticized the monarchy for acquiescing to German demands, viewing the cooperation as a compromise that enabled occupation. The Star of David myth. A popular but apocryphal story claims the king wore a yellow star in solidarity with Danish Jews. While untrue, this tale reflects the public's perception of his moral leadership. Limited political power. The king had little formal power to oppose the occupation but used his position symbolically to inspire resistance. Support for resistance in the Jewish community. Though officially neutral, King Christian X was sympathetic to resistance efforts and the plight of Danish Jews. Moral support. His demeanor and actions fostered a spirit of quiet defiance among Danes. Jewish rescue. The king's tacit approval and the unity of the Danish people helped facilitate the 1943 rescue of nearly all Danish Jews to Sweden, one of the most successful rescue efforts during the Holocaust. Post-war legacy. After liberation in 1945, King Christian X was widely regarded as a unifying figure who helped Denmark navigate occupation with dignity. His image as a steadfast monarch who stood with his people has been celebrated in Danish history and culture. King Christian X's role during World War II illustrates the power of symbolic leadership in times of crisis. Though limited in political authority, his presence, courage, and commitment to Danish identity provided hope and unity for a nation under foreign rule.